Once your document is created, you can start designing your thumbnail. Here are some steps you can follow. Use the various shape tools in Illustrator, e.g. rectangle tool, ellipse tool, to create the basic shapes for your design. Adjust the fill and stroke properties of the shapes as needed. Import any images or graphics you want to include in your thumbnail by going to File iPlace or using the shortcut Ctrl-Shift-T, Windows or Command-Shift, Mac. Position and resize the images as desired. Add text to your thumbnail using the Type tool, shortcut T, click and drag to create a text box. Then start typing. Use the character and paragraph panels to format the text with different fonts, sizes, colors, and alignments. Apply color and gradients to your shapes and text by using the color panel or the gradient panel. Experiment with different color schemes and combinations to create an appealing visual and quality based on the platform's requirements. Save the file to your desired location on your computer. That's it. You've created a thumbnail design using Adobe Illustrator. Remember to consider the platform's guidelines and specifications for thumbnails, such as size limitations.